In order to fix the issue of Shift key doesn't work on your Windows 11, open your Start menu. From here, just type toggle keys. As you can see, toggle keys have been found. Click this. And from the opening window, as you can see, sticky keys, it's off. Most probably yours, it's on. Just turn it off. After that, we are closing this window. We are opening Start menu once again. And from here, we are going to Control Panel. Click this. And from the opening window, as you can see, there is ease of access. If you cannot see this option, most probably your view by is something else. Just choose category and you will see that the ease of access you'll be seeing. Click ease of access. Click ease of access once again. And from here, choose make the keyboard easier to use. Click this. And as you can see, all the controls are checked off. Check turn on keys mouse. Check turn on sticky keys, check turn on toggle keys, and check turn on filter keys. And at the bottom, click apply. And after that, uncheck them one by one and click once again apply. Click OK, close this window, and finally click right on your Start menu, and from here go to Device Manager. From the opening window, as you can see from the tree menu, there is keyboards. Opening this and click on your present keyboard, click right, and from here choose Update Driver and search automatically for drivers. Click this, and the best driver has been already installed out on our computer. Close the window, close the Device Manager window, restart your computer, and you will see that the Shift key is working fine. Thanks for watching, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.